Hello guys, welcome back to Couponges. Today I'm back with a most interesting video about like a Moto Edge 30 Pro. It's a new flagship killer. It comes with a Snapdragon 8 series Gen 1 processor. Their latest processor, like a pin previously we have a 888 is the flagship chipset. This is the most performance advanced chipset, a series 8 and Gen 1 processor. This is the second mobile I know. Previously we have a IQ09 IQ09 was the first mobile. This is the second mobile coming from the 8th a Series 8 Gen 1 processor. In this mobile, we have uh, a rear camera. We have three cameras. Like one is 50 megapixel and two is 50 megapixel telephoto, and front is in front facing camera we have a 60 megapixel camera. And coming to the price range, it comes with a like a 44,999 rupees. It's like a 50,000 rupees, 1 rupee less. And if you have a SPay card, you can get 5,000 discount on this mobile. You can nowhere no cost EMI starts from around 5,556 rupees. On sale starts from 4th March 12 p.m. And coming to the this, it has India's first Snapdragon 8th gen Series 8 Gen 1 processor. It has the highest resolution of 60 megapixel selfie camera. Till now, no other mobile has a 60 megapixel selfie camera with high quality isolation. And coming to the a instant all pixel focus 50 megapixel, we have, as I told you, behind camera, back end we have two cameras. One is focus 50 megapixel OS plus 50 megapixel ultra wide angle. Till now no other company has a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. Best in class 144 is 10-bit OLED display. And coming to India's fastest Snapdragon, is not India's, it's world's fastest Snapdragon, is Series 8 Gen 1 processor. It comes with the experience fastest, most powerful mobile platform with the unparalleled performance. And the Snapdragon power processor with a 4 nanometer architecture. It will improve battery quality, performance quality, and it has 18-bit ISP, which is 400% time better than a previous generation. The Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. It was a Snapdragon Elite gaming processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon sounding, and one more features like 33% faster than 5G performance than previous generation, and 20% faster than CPU, 30% faster than GPU. Like for gaming experience, you will get a most advanced gaming. It has smooth performance and 4 times better than IA processing system. This mobile comes with a 8 GB LDDR4 RAM with a 2 GB RAM booster for enhancing performance. And more details, like it comes with a 128 GB UFS 3.1 storage with the host wave performance booster, and for better performance in the segment. And it will score like a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 something, a Snapdragon 888. There difference between the like 8th generation I series Gen 1 and Snapdragon 888 processor. This is the single core multi-core difference between two processors, like a blazing fast 5G Wi-Fi 6E updated technology. And it comes with an instant all pixel focus 50 megapixel OI and 50 megapixel ultra wide macro camera. These are the advanced features of this mobile. I hope you like this video. Make sure for more interesting, if you want to buy this mobile in Flipkart, just check the description below. I'll give you the link. Thank you. Have a nice day.